G'day mate. We're back again. Now it's been a couple of years since I've made a video for you guys. But we're back in the bush. We're back where we belong. Isn't that right, Aza?
Yes.
Alright, so we're in a new location as you can see around. Show them the footage, mate. Everything around us is quite damp because it has been raining. Now here's a survival kit 101. Bottle of water with no labels so you can see how much water you got completely. Army tank top so you blend in with the surroundings if something happens. Why is it turned upside down? Got to make sure you have nice enclosed shoes, otherwise, like in my previous video, a snake's going to jump out and bite your foot. If you're in this place, you got to look out for landmarks in case you ever get lost in the bush. Show them. This here is the wonderful moss rock. Judging by the texture and the way that it looks, it's been raining quite a bit recently. Remember this cameraman, alright? You remember it? What's it called?
Moss rock.
We've got a few tips for you. Tip number one, if you ever run out of water, you've got to look for places like this that have nice spring water coming down. As you can see, you've got to catch it before it hits the rock. And just underneath there, that dirt and that moss kind of cleans out all that water. So if you're able to get it before then, you'll be alright, mate. Here, this is what we call in the Philippines, the pai pai, or pai pai. What do you see?
Movement.
What?
Movement.
Movement. South by southeast. Moving 30 clicks north. We need help. We need help. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. That was alright, boys. Nothing really happened except this. What do you think, Sarpa?
Sarpa. What a beautiful place, Sarpa.
It's dope. Yeah, we'll see about that.
What are you doing there?
Taking a whiz, mate. Fuck off. Sire! Sire, where are you?
Yes.
I have to find him. He's missing. Sire! I'll find you, sire. I'll never let you go. Sire, where are you, sire? I have to camp out here tonight, all alone. Oh, sire, where art thou, sire? If I can do this, if I can make it back, I don't know if I can survive. Sire! Sire! We're ready for this. Slow.